हाय डॉक्टर जागृति। सो मैम, आजकल एंटी एजिंग ट्रीटमेंट्स और एंटी एजिंग प्रोसीजर्स बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंडिंग है। सो कैन यू गाइड अस अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट इट?
So, yes, everyone wants to age gracefully. That should be the motto. Anti-aging procedures and anti-aging skincare is super important because आजकल oxidative damage, oxidative pollution, stress and all बहुत ज़्यादा है. We are not able to take care of our skin the way we should because of this, because of the messed up routine and the messed up lifestyle that we have. Aging is coming early. दैट इज़ वाई एंटी एजिंग स्किन केयर एंड एंटी एजिंग ट्रीटमेंट्स का हमारे पास डिमांड्स एंड क्वेश्चन भी बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं इन द रिसेंट टाइम्स दैट वी हैव सीन. सो समथिंग दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट इन एंटी एजिंग इज़ एंटी एजिंग स्किन केयर रूटीन शुड बी योर प्रायोरिटी. सो स्किन केयर रूटीन सॉलिड रहनी चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्किन टाइप एंड स्किन कंसर्न्स. इट शुड बी देयर. Say add hyaluronic acid if you're having dry skin type, keep it moisturized. Add a moisturizer that is ceramide based or something. Hydrating sunscreen something that you cannot afford to miss. Night skincare routine should have either retinol or say vitamin C. Retinol if you're having open pores, fine lines, and vitamin C if you're having pigmentation concerns. Other depigmenting agents such as kojic acid, niacinamide and all that is also something that you can choose for as an anti-aging if you're having pigmentation concerns. So yeah, pretty much these are the anti-aging skincare routine things that you should follow, and then there comes a few anti-aging procedures that are there.
So ma'am, can you shed some light on the in-clinic anti-aging treatments that are available?
So anti-aging procedures depends on what is the concern. So if we have say pigmentation, then acute pigmentation है, photo tanning है, या chronic pigmentation है, then our procedures will be dependent on those. So for acute pigmentation, photo tanning, there is a procedure like chemical peel. There is something for laser toning, Q-switch based device जो कि help करता है for the pigmentation. Then if we have chronic pigmentation, in that there is something called as microneedling procedure that really helps along with the serums or just the microneedling sessions with or without PRP or GFC or exosomes. Exosomes is a lovely thing for anti-aging. That is another procedure. Then if you're having fine lines, wrinkles, then there is procedures such as injectables. If you're having injectables, includes Botox, includes fillers. Now we have to choose, includes skin fillers and threads as well. Now we have to choose कि क्या skin concern है, उसके हिसाब से हमें क्या procedure choose करना है. So if we have fine lines and wrinkles या हमारे face पे dynamic lines बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, expression lines बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, we are getting a particular facial expression है, जैसे I am having an angry looking face. So शुरू से मेरे expression lines जो हैं corrugator ज़्यादा active रहे हैं. So to settle those down, I have to take help of Botox that relaxes your muscles. Then there is something called as fillers. Fillers is helping to fill the volume loss or to give a better definition or a better contour. So that's a hyaluronic acid based procedure. Then an injectable treatment. Then there is something called as skin boosters. So skin boosters is a very good thing. Injectable, yes, but minimally invasive. Comparatively no downtime. And skin boosters helps in giving your skin the hydration and helping also, it creates these microchannels. Hyaluronic acid is filled in those microchannels, and then that helps in better absorption of the skincare routine or the skincare products that you're using. Then there is thread lifts. Thread lifts वहाँ help करते हैं जब हमारे face पे sag थोड़ा होता है. So sagging के लिए for the lifting, threads is something that we take help of. These are the injectable treatments. Then in sagging itself, if someone wants to go for the non-injectable treatment, there is an energy-based device that works very nicely called as HIFU. HIFU is high intensity focused ultrasound. अब HIFU में क्या है? There is this focused ultrasound that is targeting on the fat cells. So वो fat cells को break करता है and at the same time collagen production को induce करता है. So collagen production भी induce हो रहा है, fat cells break हुए. We have to give time for the fat cells to be excreted through the lymphatic drainage, lymphatic channels जिससे वो excrete होता है. So that is how and that is why HIFU के sessions comparatively delayed होते हैं. So HIFU helps as an energy-based device for the non-injectable treatment for the sagging of the skin. Then there is something called as RF procedures, where RF जो है energy deliver हो रही है muscles पे, and that is helping in the muscle toning. So beauty lift that we have, that is based on the RF device. So RF is targeting your muscles, and your muscles are getting toned up, and then that is not letting your skin sag as the way it with the normal aging process it is. So these are a few things. Then open pores का काफ़ी concern आ रहा है. As we age, collagen production reduce हो रहा है, and pores की visibility बढ़ने लग जाती है with the aging. So many treatments such as microneedling based, microneedling with RF or microneedling just solely the microneedling, that helps. So microneedling is what is creating those micro channels and inducing your skin to grow up. So basically pores की visibility and pores का appearance and उनके size को कम करेगा. There is another thing called as microneedling with RF, जिसमें RF energy जो है वो collagen production को भी stimulate कर रही है at the same time. So yes, it helps. One of the things that is important in anti-aging, जो कि lately हम देख भी रहे हैं, there is something called as medifacials. So medifacials is something that is, as its name suggests, medicated facials. This is something that is going to target your specific skin concerns. So पिगमेंटेशन है, डिफरेंट फेशियल्स हैं, फाइन लाइन्स रिंकल्स हैं, डिफरेंट फेशियल्स हैं, ग्लो चाहिए, डिफरेंट फेशियल्स हैं, हाइड्रेशन चाहिए, डिफरेंट फेशियल्स हैं. इट्स नॉट द रेगुलर पार्लर फेशियल्स दैट नॉर्मली वी गेट डन, क्लीन अप कराया और वो करवा दिया. सो इट इज़ at the same time causing the exfoliation that is required, and then followed by the peels or the hydrating serums or the moisturizers according to your skin concerns. A very new and a very perfect anti-aging procedure is exosomes. So exosomes is the basic skin building blocks. So that is taking care of whatever are your skin concerns. वो बहुत अच्छा एक procedure है जो भी आपके स्किन कंसर्न्स हैं, बी इट एजिंग, बी इट ओपन पोर्स, बी इट पिगमेंटेशन, वो उसको टारगेट करता है. सो एक्सोसोम्स इज प्लांट बेस्ड एक्सोसोम्स है मार्केट में. वी हैव ह्यूमन डिराइव्ड एक्सोसोम्स एंड वी हैव एनिमल सोर्स्ड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्सोसोम्स. So these are another things that we can combine with microneedling sessions. So exosomes is a particular thing that's recently coming up, and it's a very good one.
Okay, ma'am. So when should one start these treatments according to you?
So there is no age specificity when you should start your anti-aging procedures. It's very subjective. Now we've been getting people coming in the clinic and asking for getting Botox done for their upper face, or say their droop of the corners of the mouth, sad smile लग रही है तो उसके लिए, even at 29. So whenever you would want, thing important is you should have a skincare routine first. That then only you can take help of these procedures and let them stay. So whenever that's very subjective, whenever you would want to get it done. But yes, definitely take help. Go visit your dermatologist. Take help of your dermatologist. They'll be the ones who will be guiding you for these procedures, because they are certified for that. They are authorized for doing that, and they are the ones that can guide you better because they have done this.
Okay, so ma'am, अगर there is some person जिसको anti aging से कोई मतलब नहीं है, कुछ नहीं चाहता, what is that one big skincare advice that you would give it for all?
Sunscreen will be my one suggestion to all the people around there. Anti-aging के लिए कुछ नहीं करना, sunscreen लगाना शुरू कर दो, you're sorted for life. You need protection from those UV rays. आजकल सिर्फ UV rays नहीं है, infrared light है, blue lights हैं, हमारा on screen काम बहुत ज़्यादा है. That is also what is damaging your skin more. Try to have a balanced routine and a lifestyle. De-stress, have half an hour to 40 minutes for yourself, and sunscreen. That's all that you need.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for
You're welcome.
answering all the questions.